Hey shoppers, today we have a storage rack, but this is a unique space-saving organizing storage rack. We're gonna unbox it. This is great for college, working from home. So this is how it comes. It's a black mesh material. It has the instruction manual, a screwdriver, and the screws, and the clamps. So you clamp this to the edge of your desk, which makes it really nice and convenient because you can clamp it to pretty much any desk. Super easy to set up. You get the little screws, put them in the hole like so. All right, so now that the two screws are holding the bracket onto the basket nicely, you rotate this to adjust the size. So for demonstration purposes, we are going to install it right here to show you how to install it. So this is a nice thin board. All right, so we adjusted this clamp and slipped it in, and we are going to tighten it up. You can see here, we just rotate this. This clamp tightens this bracket, and we now have a nice, convenient storage basket attached to our work surface. So you can put things like your candles, your book or Bible, screwdrivers, pens.